guys, welcome to my channel again. So here we have a huge unboxing. This package was sent to me by Altman Plants. Thank you so much. I can't wait to see what's in here. And yeah, so let's dive in because I've been waiting all day because my youngest daughter wanted me to wait for her to open this. So here's the first one. And let's see what we got. Wow. Wow. This is Peruvian Old Lady. Here it is.
Did you see one of those the other day?
No, we didn't.
Oh, that was a picture.
Okay, so I have to see how I'm going to remove all that dirt off of that. But that is beautiful. It's pretty big. So you can find Altman Plants at Home Depot, Lowe's, and I believe Walmart. Also, you can order from their website. So if you go to Home Depot and they don't have what you might be looking for, go to their website and they have such a big variety on their website. So here's the old lady.
Is that just paper or is that a
No, this is plant. I don't know if it's falling. It's pretty windy here in Florida today. Let's see what else we got. That's why I did it. Well, I did it outside because we have a lot of dirt. I knew we were going to have dirt. Which way did it go? Let's open it this way. Wow. Let's see. Look at how beautiful these are. So pretty. So, this is a Cressula baby's necklace. How pretty is that? So pretty. I can't wait to pop these. So cute. Kayla, you want to hand me another one? Okay. You can open that one if you want. Right there. Oh, let's see. So this is Marmolaria Bocasana Rosiflora. So pretty. So many buds there about the flower. So cute.
I like this one.
You like it? Yeah.
Next one. And there's only 3 more.
There's 3 more? Okay. See what this is. Ooh, pretty.
That one is spelled.
Yep, it's blue elf. So pretty. Sedaveria hybrid. Wow.
Sedaveria?
So I do not have any of these plants. I'm very, very grateful to receive them. Oh, beautiful. That's almost all my plants are from Altman, from Home Depot and Lowe's.
Big one.
This is a big one. Let's see what this is. Oh wow.
I can't see it yet.
Oh wow, what is this?
Ooh.
Oh wow, that's a big one. It's a big blue elf. How beautiful is that? Look at the colors. Oh, I can't wait to clean them up. And they're flowering so pretty. I love it.
Can I open this one?
Sure.
Oh, this one's very small. Ooh, I like these.
Oh baby toes. How pretty. So cute. These are our baby toes. They're from the Mimicry family. And these are called baby toes.
Maybe because you're so small.
Yeah, they look like, well, when you look at the tips right here,
Yeah.
they look like little toes.
I love those.
Beautiful. Is that the last one?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Make sure.
I think that's it. Yep, that's the last one. Okay, guys, so here are all the plants I received. Thank you so much, Altman. I'm going to put a link to their website so you guys can check out their website. Look at all their beautiful plants. Like I said, you can also go by to Lowe's and Home Depot and see what they have. But I am curious to know which one, if you guys go to the website and look at all their cactuses and succulents, tell me which one is your guys' favorite. I would like to really know which ones you guys, which one would be your favorite from the website. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Have a blessed day.